How to download Google Docs document as OpenDocument format on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your document on Google Docs. As you can see, I have this document right here and I want to download it as OpenDocument format. First thing, click on File after you finish and go down to Download. And here you will find OpenDocument format ODT right here. Click on it and it's gonna be downloaded as ODT, as you can see right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.